breeze, the golden thread awakens. Little wings of light, we honor your flight. E-Ha-Rah, Elyorin'Ka. We weave with you.
You rise with the sun,
A hum in the gold, mapping the flowers, a story untold.
dust on your legs,
A prayer in the air, turning the pollen to life everywhere. No rest in your rhythm, no pause in your song. You carry the earth as you dance along. Golden resonance,
hum of the hive.
you teach us to serve.
You teach us to thrive,
From petal to root,
from soil to sky.
we remember the dance.
We remember why.
Be of the earth,
Star of the bloom,
we walk in your light.
we sweep with your broom.
My home,
I weave,
I honor,
I honor. Let the earth spirits guard every comb. Let the Devic kings build you a home. Air hold your wings, fire warm your sun. Water bless nectar till day is done. Crystal and root, leaf and stone, circle your hives, you are never alone. Samari, solkaven, tulira, Elyorin'Ka, natuva, Gaia kaorika, pilumra, samari, solkaven, tulira, Elyorin'Ka. Humanity, hear the hum. You do not own the earth, you belong to it. The bee does not take without giving. The flower does not bloom for one. Return to the circle, plant with reverence, harvest with gratitude. Protect the hive, honor the hum. You are part of the symbiosis. The golden thread binds us all. Oh, golden resonance, Hum of the hive,
you teach us to serve.
you teach us to thrive.
From petal to root,
From soil to sky,
we remember the dance.
we remember why.
Be of the earth,
Star of the bloom,
we walk in your light.
we sweep with your broom.
I hum,
I weave,
I honor, I The hive rests, the golden thread holds. Gaia smiles, the covenant unfolds. Thank you, little wings. Thank you, golden ones. We are one field, one hum, one home. E-Ha-Rah, natuva, we are home. I am, we are home.